When I say the word courage, what comes to mind for you? What would be a picture of courage for you? I bet for some people it's a superhero, Wonder Woman, Superman. For some, you may be thinking of world changers or world leaders, people like Martin Luther King Jr., Gandhi, Malala. Maybe it's that firefighter rushing into a burning building to save lives. Now, certainly, these are all examples of courage. But I find that these stereotypical examples make up an incomplete list because what I see over and over again as I work with teams and leaders across the world, that real examples of courage are often much more subtle and yet every bit as powerful. It's that individual who seeks out pushback and wants their views and their ideas and sometimes even their values challenged, not to exchange them, to trade them in with someone else's, but to expand them. It's that person who has the courage to acknowledge and even sometimes say to others that when it comes to polarizing, divisive issues, there's normally truth on both sides. And that means that we sometimes have to go beyond just picking our side and being around people who agree with us. Courage sometimes is saying things like, I don't see things that way, or I don't know, or I made a mistake. Courage sometimes is being able to say what needs to be said, even though you may disappoint or frustrate people that you care about and people that you want their approval. Courage sometimes is just facing your own fears. And what's interesting about all these examples is that it means that you're choosing a harder path. There's easier options. Because the truth is, courage normally means that you are choosing to embrace discomfort. One of my all-time favorite quotes is from author and Dr. Susan David. She says, "Discomfort is the price of admission to a meaningful life." So how much discomfort are you willing to lean into in order to show courage in your life? At work, at home, in your personal development? Because here's the thing, when we choose courage over comfort, everybody wins, including ourselves.